In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a domain from your Shopify store. Whether you're switching domains or no longer using a specific web address, the process is quick and easy. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, click Settings in the bottom left corner. Next, select Domains. Here you'll see all domains connected to your Shopify store. Find the domain you want to remove and click on it to open its settings. Before removing the domain, make sure you have another domain set as your primary domain if your store uses multiple domains. Once that's done, click Remove Domain or Disconnect Domain. Shopify may ask you to confirm your choice. After confirming, the domain will no longer be connected to your Shopify store. That's it. The domain has been successfully removed from Shopify. Thanks for watching.